here are tonight's top story. First in Indonesia, capital city place housing, first emergency evacuations across Jakarta and areas. Now let's go to our first partner for world plans.
Thank you, Paris. I'm Arsianti Ria. Jakarta, thousands of people were evacuated in Indonesian capital Jakarta on Tuesday after floods buried the region, officials say, with heavy rain expected to continue until next week. Torrential rain since Monday has triggered floods of up to 3 meters. Our 1988 in around Jakarta, the Council Disaster Against State in a statement, blocking some roads and supervising over 1,000 houses and many cars. Now, we continue to the next partner.
Jakarta Purnam raised the island levels to the second highest of the critical stage, calling on the local government to set water pumps to extract water from flooded areas and conduct weather modification operation, which typically includes shooting salt forests into woods to regenerate from language web. Now, we go back to the meeting start.
Thank you, Delita. Now let's move to the next partner for more updates.
Thank you, Paris. I'm Yosef Erika. Local media reported school scholars also swam a hospital in the eastern town of Bekasi, with water entering southwards, forcing the evacuation of patients to other buildings, while other parts of the hospital were nearby powered autonomous. Rescuers on rubber boats sailed through the thigh-high water to evacuate the residents that had been trapped in floods since 4 a.m. or 2,100 Greenwich Mean Time at a housing complex in Bekasi, Reuters reported said. Continuing the news will be reported by the fourth anchor, Frederica.
Okay, thank you, Garcia. I'm Frederica Redarogi. The Culture Weather Agency warned that heavy rain is forecast to hit the capital and surrounding cities around 11. We need to build there, but hopefully the weather modification could reduce rainfall, said the agency in Bikorita Fatawat. Sri Suyatni 50 said she did not have time to collect her losses before evacuating and her entire house was submerged in flood weather. I hope the floods will soon recede, she said. The next by
Thank you, Frederica. The government has started building temporary shelters and distributing clothes and medication for the evacuees, said Social Affairs Minister Saifullah Yusuf. Residents were also evacuated to schools, mosques, and churches. The Greater Jakarta metropolitan area, home to more than 30 million people, is regularly hit by floods. But several local media report the current situation, particularly in Bekasi, was the worst since 2020. Floods skyrocketed 60 in Jakarta in 2020, following the heaviest one-day rainfall since records began in 1866. Authorities continue to monitor the situation closely and are urging residents to follow official safety instructions. Thank you to all my partners for the information. Now we go to the authorities health issues separately. There are safety instructions for residents accessed by the Jakarta Post. First, residents are advised to avoid walking or driving through flooded areas as the water may be deeper than in acres and could contain dangerous forests or hidden debris.
Second, the public should disconnect electrical appliances and turn off power sources when flooding begins to prevent electrocutions. Third, families are encouraged to move important documents, valuables, and medicines to higher places or keep them to waterproof containers. People living near rivers and drainage channels should stay alert for rising water levels and be ready to evacuate immediately when instructed by local officials.
Lastly, the public is reminded to monitor official weather reports from the climatology and geophysics agency and follow up from local disaster management
stay alert and prioritize safety. For the latest information, follow official government channels and local authors. Thank you to all my partners for the information, and that's all for today's news. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm Paris together with my friends Delita, Ersin, Garcia, and Vivian and David. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay safe, and good morning.